outsourcing firm Capita have been fined £14 million by the ICO, the Information Commissioner's Office. And this is after the personal data of 6.6 million people was stolen in a cyber attack. The fine was originally set to 45 million, but then there was some discussions between Capita and the ICO, and it came down to 14 million.
A bit of more information on the ICO website, but it says about how despite a high priority security alert being raised within 10 minutes of the breach, and so there were some automated actions taken, Capita didn't quarantine the device for 58 hours. So obviously during that time, the attacker was able to exploit the systems. So there's a lot of failings there.
Do you know, this is everyone's worst nightmare though, isn't it? As a security team, like in the heat of the moment, you have to get everything right because there's going to be people looking over every action and every decision you make during that. And this is what the people that are saying you can join our big claim to sue Marks and Spencer's for breaching your data. It's like when you're in this moment, like no one asks to get compromised. No one asks to get ransomware. And then when you're in the moment, every single decision that you make will be analysed afterwards and will be reviewed and checked. And you'll have a group of people in suits going, was that the right thing to do? Did that happen quick enough? It's like, we're all human at the end of the day. It's really, really horrible. But yeah, there should be on a significant breach, companies should give cyber people like recovery leave. Like once it's been dealt with and you've mopped up, it's like, right, congratulations, you can now have 3 months off paid to recover from that incident. And maybe there's a scale of hours impact but that would be a lovely thing because most cyber people, like you call in your experts when you have a cyber breach. You'll call in BT or one of these big companies to come in and deal with it and mop it up. But there's still people on the ground that just normally turn up 9 to 5, do their thing. People like you and me turn up, do our thing, go home, don't worry about it. And then all of a sudden, one Thursday afternoon, we don't go home for 5 days. We shower in the office and we've eaten nothing but pizza because there's a cyber attack, and then your life's flipped upside down for 2 or 3 months and you're not prepared for that. So maybe there should be some agreement that everybody signs up to, a government thing where you get like post cyber attack leave to recover. I think that'd be lovely. Or maybe a little bit of Capita's 14 million fine should be distributed amongst the workers. I don't know. Yeah.